Hi, Clutter Fairy fans. This is a special edition of the Clutter Fairy Weekly for January 3rd, 2023. I'm your co-host, Ed Gumnick, and I'm speaking with Gayle Goddard, certified professional organizer and owner of the Clutter Fairy in Houston, Texas. Happy New Year, Gayle. I also want to congratulate you on the 150th episode of the Clutter Fairy Weekly.
Happy New Year and congratulations to you as well. It's been a fast and fun ride to 150 episodes. Although our show is still officially on vacation, we wanted to share a word of encouragement for anyone who's working towards a less cluttered and more organized 2023. January is the beginning of what I laughingly call the professional organizer busy season. Just as we make plans to get our bodies back in shape after the festive overindulgence, lots of us also start trying to recover our homes after having ignored organizing and maintenance tasks during the holiday hubbub. Many people set resolutions at the new year to get organized. For our podcast listeners, I'm putting that phrase in air quotes. That's a big goal that trips up a lot of people. But if you've made clutter-related New Year's resolutions, we'll be here to spur on your efforts. Come check in each week to let us know how things are going, and we'll be ready with tips to boost your momentum when 2023 starts to lose its New Year sparkle. If you struggled with or given up on resolutions in the past, we'll be here to support you in channeling and maintaining whatever new energy and enthusiasm the new year may bring. We'll share strategies for launching organizing efforts, fresh viewpoints to help you let things go, and ideas for the ongoing maintenance of your space. Our ongoing resolution is to create a shared space where you'll feel uplifted and encouraged throughout the year. We've been making plans to get your organizing year off to a strong start. Ed, do you want to tell our audience what's coming up?
Yes, we'll be back next week with a live webcast at our usual time. January is Get Organized month. But after all the bustle and distraction of the holidays, it can be hard to wrap our heads around how to start new projects, revive past efforts, make a solid plan, refill the well of motivation, or regain our momentum. In our first 2023 show, we'll offer strategies for planning and implementing a rock-solid organizing project. Come join us on Tuesday, January 10th at noon U.S. Central Time for the first episode of our 4th season, which is called Celebrate Get Organized Month by Restarting Organizing Projects.
Thank you. We're excited and optimistic about the year ahead. We hope you'll be with us as a regular member of this generous and thoughtful community of declutterers. Let us cheer you on to make the changes you've been thinking about but haven't started yet, or to get back into your project after the holiday hiatus. After celebrating, resting, and we hope recharging through the close of the year, the energy of January is all about rolling forward full steam ahead. Come hang with us and let's get going. Finally, Ed and I want to wish you a prosperous, happy, and love-filled new year. We hope that 2023 will be your best year ever. Cheers!